Just a quick video. This is a Suzuki lT50. I'm not sure of the year. It belongs to a friend or a friend's kids. It wouldn't start. It had spark, had compression. I cleaned up the carb and it was definitely getting fuel. I could even put fuel in the cylinder. It's sort of try and fire. You could hear it sort of going and just not working. After a bit of googling, I found that the crank seal often falls out. It doesn't have anything holding it in, and it just falls out. Without the crank being sealed, it doesn't run. So that's the crank seal. It lives in behind. Normally got the pull starter over this end. There's a bit of a casing. It's got about 4 bolts. Those ones. And yeah, easy enough to get to. Actually, the flywheel coming off, you need a proper tool. I did make my own, which worked. I can give you a rundown on it later if you're interested. It's similar to a flywheel tool I made in another video for a Chinese scooter. I welded this one though, just similar sort of principle. But yeah, buy the tool for this one, probably a bit easier. But if, I was just in a bit of a rush, just trying to help a friend out. So this is the problem. So what I'm going to do is mix up some epoxy and just glue it in. It's not ideal, you shouldn't really glue seals, but there's nothing else holding it in, and I can't really put anything else in there to hold it, so glue's going to have to do today. But that's how you fix it if you've got a little lT50 that won't start. If that helps you, give me a like and a subscribe. That helps me out. And I'll see you on the next one.